Everyone tells you to think in Chinese. Nobody tells you how. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to build a Chinese brain, even if you only know 10 words. Yes, 10 words is enough to start. Here's what everyone gets wrong. Thinking in Chinese doesn't mean have a complex philosophical thought in Chinese. It means this. When you see coffee, your brain should go straight to 咖啡, not coffee first. That's it. That's thinking in Chinese. And you can start doing this today with the words you already know. Let me show you the 5-level system that takes you from 0 to automatic Chinese thinking. Level 1, single word thinking. You already know this word, 你好, 谢谢, 水, 好, 不. That's enough to start. Here's the exercise. Walk around your space. Point at things. Say the Chinese word if you know it. Don't translate. See water, bring 水. See phone, brings as 手机. Feeling good, brings a 好. Don't know the word? Don't think English. Just point and stay silent. This trains your brain that Chinese is direct connection, not a translation. Let's try it together. Look around and name 5 things you already know in Chinese. Practice this 5 times today. Each time gets easier. By day 3, it's automatic. Level 2, phrase thinking. Combinations. Now, combine without translating. Morning routine narration, 起床, get up, 喝水, drinking water, 吃早饭, eat breakfast. Don't think I get up equals 我起床. Think 起床 while getting up. So the magic formula is action plus Chinese word plus no English. Drinking coffee, think 喝咖啡. Walking, think 走路. Tired, think 很累. Here's your level 2 exercise. Choose 3 daily activities. Tomorrow, as you do them, say the Chinese in your head while doing them. No English narrator, just the Chinese plus action. These rewire your brain to connect Chinese directly to experience, not to English. Level 3, pattern thinking. Your brain loves patterns. Use this. The I want pattern. 我想喝水. I want to drink water. 我想睡觉. I want to sleep. 我想回家. I want to go home. Whenever you want something, think 我想. And the location pattern. 在家 at home. 在公司 at office. 在这里 here. Wherever you are, think 在. The time pattern. 现在吃饭 eat now. 明天工作 work tomorrow. 今天很累 tired today. This pattern become automatic. You stop constructing. You just fill blanks. Level 3 exercise. Pick one pattern. Use it 10 times today in your head. By the end of the day, it's automatic. No translation needed. Level 4. Situational thinking. This is where magic happens. You enter Chinese mode to entire situation. Kitchen. The Chinese brain on. Every thought about food, cooking, eating is Chinese only. 饿了. 做饭, 好吃, 太热了. Bedtime, Chinese brain on. 困了, 睡觉, 做梦, 明天见. The phone time, Chinese brain on. 看手机, 发信息, 打电话, 没电了. You are creating Chinese zone in your life. In these zones, English is banded. Pick one zone to start with. The simpler, the better. I recommend kitchen or bedroom. Simple vocabulary, frequent use. Week 1, 1 zone. Week 2, 2 zones. Week 3, 3 zones. Month 2, most of your days. This is how polyglots learns. Situational immersion. Level 5, natural thinking. This isn't forced anymore. Chinese thought just appear. You see rain, brain says 下雨了. You are hungry, brain says 饿了. Someone's nice, brain says 他很好. No English, no pause, just the Chinese. That's when you know your Chinese brain is waking up. How to reach level 5? Level 1 to 4 for 30 days minimum. Chinese self-talk, 5 minutes daily. Chinese reaction to everything. Dream journal in simple Chinese. My students report this happening between day 30 to 60, depend on daily practice. So now, your daily 5 minutes Chinese brain workout. Minute 1, wake up, think 5 Chinese words about your feeling or plan. Minute 2, breakfast narration in Chinese, even just the words. Minute 3, commute or work Chinese description. Minute 4, before bed, recap day in simple Chinese. Minute 5, set tomorrow's Chinese thinking goal. That's it, 5 minutes, but every day. The secret, consistency beats intensity. 5 minutes daily beats 2 hours weekly. I've created a free Chinese thinking starter kit, a speaking map, so you can see where you are. At stage 1, that's perfect. A 7-day voice journal to practice thinking in Chinese for 2 minutes a day. And confidence booster for when your brain goes blank. Because it happens to everyone. You will find everything free below. Lots of learners are already using it to build their Chinese brain. 2 helps, but what changes everything is use them every day. Right now, look something near you. Say it in Chinese, just 1 word, no English. Congratulations, you just thought in Chinese. That's how it starts. 1 word, 1 thought, no translation. So comment below, what's the first Chinese thought you had while watching this? Share it in the Chinese, no English translation. Remember, you don't need perfect Chinese to think in Chinese. You need to start today with what you know. 加油, your Chinese brain is already there. You just need to turn it on. I will see you next video.